channel, Ajay Cecil. Today is very awesome. I feel like in dollar. We have been memorizing for our God Allah Ta'ala. A lot of men and women came in this month. His name is Subri Salamas from Sabang Island. So I got a few questions for my interest Islam. You know what? Muslim, Jewish tutor for us. Always Muslim scholar. Nowadays my favorite Ajay. Now I'm gonna few simple question for him maybe. Alright, Mister. Yeah, questions here because nowadays, nowadays people they love for memorizing or zikr to Allah. So what do you think about nowadays? They are love or not?
الذكر لله الذكر لله محتاج لنفس كل واحد لازم يذكر الله ألا بذكر الله هذا الآية الكريمة التي قال الله تعالى فيها هذه الآية في القرآن الكريم لذلك نحث على كل مسلم ليذكر الله كثيرا كل يوم بكرة وأصيلا ليلا نهارا ذكر الله مهم جدا حتى الممات من الصغير من البلوغ إلى الكبار إلى حتى الممات.
Alright, the meaning is he said, after memorizing for, reciting for your God, every single day, every single night, every single morning, you're gonna be happy. Your heart very happy always. Because after you 5 times 24 hours, you went to masjid, the dawn and then the duhur and then also and then Maghrib and Isha, you can pray together with a lot of Muslims nowadays. But when you are remembering for your God give you praise, all praises to Allah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah. Imagine that. You can't imagine that. Allah love us. Allah love us so much because Allah give us long life and then Allah give us everything what we want. Alright, thank you for watching my video. For your support. Then we're gonna show everything about how do we improve or promote our Muslim knowledge for for United States, not even from Europe. I can show everything about that Muslim knowledge. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Alright, thank you.
Allah 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 Allah. Lihat